Let's go, folks. We have everything changing and it's happening as we speak. What am I talking about? One of the biggest setups I've been waiting for a long time when it comes to XRP, and you're going to get my XRP price prediction in this one. It's called the Stock Mo Trio. We trade it all the time in the Discord, and we have a good track record with this. I'm going to share it. So let's get into it. I want to show you this, get the update that I'm hearing on the Clarity Act. And of course, are we going to ban politicians from trading crypto? Are we going to let that be the pill that absolutely swallows up and stops the Clarity Act from passing? Now, Senator Warren talking about it. And I want to know, we have probably 50-50. Half the people watching my channel are Republican, half the channel is Democratic. So I want to talk to the Democrats about the law that she's trying to push, that senior officials cannot trade crypto, basically, and ask, do you believe that and because this isn't, remember, this isn't banning every politician and the staff from making money on stocks, cryptos, options, all this. This is targeting senior officials on crypto. Obviously, it's geared towards President Trump and his family. Do you believe we should not pass the Clarity Act if it isn't in there? That's my question, because I know obviously left, right are going to have totally different feelings about it, but I am curious. So if President Trump, they take that out, would you want to see this passed or no? I personally, you guys know my opinion, I've been very open about it. I think they need a separate law banning all politicians, not just senior officials, all politicians, all staffers with them. And have them, they can't trade the stocks, the crypto, and other things that they have control over. And that's my opinion on it. But I am curious, what's your guys' takes down below? But as we move into this, massive setup. This is one of the setups that I've been waiting for and pushing on this channel, that if we get it, get excited. I said, if we get it, get excited. So the morning video, you guys remember what the morning video was? For those who are subscribed, you have been told before it happened yet again. The GOAT has struck again. We have the opportunity to take advantage of this. Right here, I told you the support, and I had these lines here. They've been here. So you come in here and you say, what was your line? 136. Remember I told you if we need to take 136 out, and we had it right here. And I said, what do you expect? We're going to hit the support, 136. We did. And then this morning's video, we're right on it again. So this is what I said, this is what we want. We should be able to push above the 137 something. We want to finish 138 or higher by 7 o'clock Eastern time. I said, if we get that, we have the Stock Mo Trio set up for the next 72 hours. It's going to be one of the biggest, exciting 72 hours you have seen. Now, this is a normal, we're going to hit it 3 out of 4 times. This is a technical setup. It's a massive setup. And what this setup is a massive push up to resistance, a push back down to support, break resistance, and finish above the prior 2 candles. I have played this play a lot. And when I say a lot, I mean a ton. It's one of my favorite setups for the day trading. And I normally crush it with this within 3 candles. So what we're looking for, and you guys can see we broke the Bollinger Band again and pushed back down, which is fine. And I'm going to put this right here. So if we finish right here at 7 o'clock, what I'm looking for over the next 3 candles is normally you're going to have a massive push up. And it's going to go above the 50 EMA and everything. So if you're trading, you're like right here, right now. What was that? Jesus Jones right here, right now. So right here, right now, and you can see it's still pulling back a little bit. We just want to finish above this line. We would expect that rip over the next 72 hours. Now, how high it goes, we don't know, but that's what we're looking at. So that's the setup I wanted to make sure you knew right away. And I'm going to be trading this setup myself. And I expect to do very well. Now, for those who say, Mo, what are you talking about, the trading? Now, today I was trading, and we had a lot of fun, and we were in the Discord, and here's what we did. Look at this. Minus 510, minus 340, plus 700, plus 180, plus 173. All together, put them together, the day ended at 203 up. It was good. It was glorious. We started out with some rough ones, massive reversal candles within 60 seconds. Within 60 seconds of me getting a trade. It was horrible. It happens once in a while, but it's risk management. But we did well, and I broke my goal again. This is why I've been hitting consistently winning days of, I'd say over 80.5% over the last year. And that's for the overall day for trading live in front of the audience. Folks, if you're not in there, get in there. Shout out to the members. We have been on fire lately in the Discord. With some of the wins we had in here, I'll start with a couple of mine in here. I had my 6-pack of options. 2 nice ones going really well so far. SYF, you guys know, and KR doing what they're doing. I had some, what do we got? Puts on this one, call on this one. So I do a mix of the StockMo 6-pack, and so far so good. We're going to see how we make out by the end of the year. R-Cube, shout out to you. Or not the end of the year, end of the week. Lurker in there. Let's go. Jack with the wins. Thank you, Mo, for the indicator. My first ever win trading options. Folks, if you're brand new, you want to get in here. You want to get in here and you want to learn. You want to learn with experts. You want to learn with me teaching you live. You want my indicator. We're adding people in. It's crazy. Not bad during the live stream. 2nd day trading. Learn with Mo. Just became a lifetime member. Looking forward to it. D-Row, let's go. Let's go. Arkansas Dog in the house. The dog is back. I love seeing it. Crystal, one of our expert traders. Iagon, Kaiser Yi, Ace Master. A lot of people in here. Apex Predator, Jimmy D. Good stuff. So if you guys aren't in here, I'll make it quick. Get in here. First link down below. We have code EARN only for a little bit longer. And we're only taking 100 people and we're almost there. So it's 40% off forever. So if you click this, join, put in EARN at the end, 40% off forever. So take advantage of this today before we raise the price. We're bringing in new experts to trade, live trading, live teaching. We're hiring a whole bunch of teachers as well. This is next level stuff. So you'd be grandfathered in forever and you never have to pay the higher rate. So this is your getting down to the last chance. All right, Clarity Act. Something good happened there. Something good happened there, folks. Did you see this? What happened here, Mo? 61% chance. Yeah, let's go to the all-time. We got up there, 68, and we'll go to the month. I like the month better. So we got down at the lows. We're 55. Now we're back up to 61. They're down there cranking it out right now. They're arguing with each other. They're fighting. They're still fighting over the stablecoin yields. That's the one they're dragging the feet on, the biggest. But Senator Warren's sitting in the background waiting for him to solve that issue and then move in with the banning of top officials in politics in D.C. from trading crypto. In other words, they're going after Trump and his family, who are, what do they got? Hundreds of millions in crypto now. And of course, that could be a major, major roadblock. So I'm interested in seeing what you guys think down below. Let me know. Should it not pass? Just write it out, man. Take a few minutes, write it out. I'm going to respond. I'm interested. And I think everybody out there is interested. Republicans, Democrats, give me your opinion on the subject. And I asked before, should all people be banned? Should it just be top officials, AKA Trump and his team? Or, what's your thought on it? I need to know this because I'm going to do a video on it. I'm going to look at some of your comments, and I may put those comments in the video. So put them down there. You'll get a shout out. Now, as we continue to look at this and what's going on and everything else, so the Clarity Act, they're working on it. Now they changed the timeline again. They are still shooting for the end of April to have the committee markup vote. That means to get that vote done, they got to schedule it by the 23rd, or I should say, announce the scheduling of it by the 23rd. That has a 7-day clock that starts to tick. They would have it done and voted on by the 30th of April. That's the goal. If they don't get to that, the odds start to drop dramatically. Not because it's not going well, but because time itself is not on their side. Time itself, and we can't pull out a magic time machine, but the thought has been said that some in the Senate committee, the banking committee, are dragging their feet on purpose in the hopes of stalling this so it never sees the light of day, and thus they can't be held accountable for the voting. Because if they go into the election and say, we didn't vote it down, we just never got to the vote, they can't be blamed, and that's their out. And they've done it many a times. And you guys know how this works. It's blue versus red, and it is what it is. And so we need to stay on them and say, get this thing voted on. Call your senators, write your senators, and tell them to pass the Clarity Act and tell them you want a written response. In doing that, they will write you back. All right, just Google it. You'll find the information you need, and we can go from there. I'm watching this, the Fear and Greed Index. Look what we got. Looky. 56 on the charts. We're moving in the right direction. Money is being made, and I'm loving it. Now, the threat and the Strait of Hormuz, I love it. I love saying it. that is dropping dramatically. They have the blockade, or everything that's going on out there, and in doing that, they are setting it up for piecemeal little parts that they'll agree upon, and every time that happens, you are going to see the market go higher. You will see the market go higher, and that isn't just a guess. We know it. The technicals are saying it. The fundamentals are there. It's all there. They need to solve this quickly to keep that momentum going. Go to the crypto. Whoa, Mo, whoa. Is that 55? Yeah, remember when I told you down here? When we were in the red, I said expect a recovery. It's coming. And that leads us up to XRP. We are right here. We want to be above this line by 7 o'clock. It's coming down. If we went into the 5-minute one, let's take a look at the 5-minute candles. Oh, that's why. So we had a massive push up. We're coming back down to the 50. We're going to want to hold the 50 and push back up. If we do, we're fine. If we hold the 50, you see it pushed up, coming back down. We don't want the 5 to cross over in the 5-minute candles, and it gets nasty. We want this to start getting a little bit more buying pressure and push back above the 138. And we'll be okay. That's looking at the individual candles. You get my indicator if you get into the Discord, guys. If you're not in the Discord, you want to get in there. We crushed it again today. I'm live trading tomorrow, 2 o'clock, for everybody that wants to watch. And it's in there. You get the teaching. You get to hear the mindset. You get to see it live. You see the buys. You see the sells. That's the one thing most people don't show you. I show you, and we win 80% of the days, and I'm loving it. And so if you're ready to take it to that level, that's what you're going to want to see. Now, with the XRP and everything else we're doing, I got my bags packed. I'm ready to start making it. As you look at the 5, you can say, oh, what's going on? Let's go to the 1 week. What's going on there? Are we positive? You know it. And I've been telling you, look for the breakout soon. So you got this W forming, and that's a double bottom that I'm seeing, and I'm waiting for the break. Now, the biggest break you can get using the weekly is right here. If we can cross that at 145 or above, it is freaking takeoff. That is when we're grabbing the Apollo, the Artemis, whatever rocket you want to name it, and we're running with it. And that's what we're trying to do. And I think we can get there. This is a really powerful candle, but we need to finish the week strong. That takes me over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin obviously leads the way. So when I come into Bitcoin on the weekly, look at this W, textbook. And we just broke it. This is freaking textbook. Right here is the line you want to break on a weekly candle. You have the neckline. You break the neckline. It takes off. We're going to the 50. We'll be back to 85, 86,000 on Bitcoin. Lickety split. But we need that to run. Then the altcoins will follow. That is what I'm expecting. Look at this perfect W. For anybody that studied technicals, you know. If you haven't, get into my Discord. I teach these things. This is one of my favorite setups ever. The double bottom W. This is big. We're getting there. Could this lead? Yes, it could easily. Go to Ethereum. Bitcoin's always the leader there. But what do you see? A similar W. So we have the bottom. Up we went. Back to the bottom. And up we go. Did we break the neckline? Of course we did. Right there it was. What happened? Massive candle. That's how it works, folks. Technicals will lead you every way to the promised land. And that's what we're trying to do for you. Get you to financial freedom. You don't have to do this yourself. I'm giving you free info here. You can act on it. You can do what you want. Or you can say, you know what? I like it. I'm going to get into the Discord. Get in there today. That's it. That's my update. First link down below. We're trading live tomorrow. Code EARN, 40% off. Get in there before that's gone, because we're getting to the end now. We almost got our quota. So if you haven't done it, like I said, get in there. I'll be trading tomorrow, and I'll see you there. Be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get out there and make some money.